The ZirkulEA research project focuses on the recyclability of the electric drivetrain in e-mobility. Through intelligent disassembly and tracking, the aim is to ensure that recyclable materials, parts, or entire assemblies are returned and can therefore be reused in high-quality products. With a comprehensive product range, DEPRAG covers the entire application spectrum of modern and demanding fastening tasks in industry. With its experience in the field of fastening technology, DEPRAG has also developed solutions for automation. The aim was to develop and design a process module for the disassembly of 5 connecting elements of a battery, flexible and cycle time optimized. The DEPRAG ESFM screw driving function module used was modified to be high voltage capable. This included the use of specially designed insulators, ceramic parts that are non-conductive and at the same time can withstand the torque, as well as optical fiber sensors. The 4 required sockets, including vacuum suction of the fasteners, are changed automatically. After the fasteners have been disassembled, they are shot away through a discharge device via a hose and collected. High-resolution screw driving process data is collected, which allows conclusions to be drawn about the condition of the screw connection. This includes, for example, screw driving curves with torque and angle of rotation, position data of the E-axis, and vacuum values of the screw suction. Together with other data, this allows conclusions to be drawn about the condition of the product and the correct selection of a possible reuse. A comprehensive, cross-company exchange of this data should contribute to the efficient recycling and reuse of components.